you. Today we are diving into a tool that is a quilting essential, and that is the rotary cutter, and specifically why we need to use a rotary cutter rather than your favourite pair of scissors. Now, if you're a beginner at patchwork and quilting and have been musing over that very question, then this is the video for you. If you're new here, I'm Kim. This is Quilt with Kim. You are very, very welcome. And oh, by the way, stick around because I've got a free gift for you later on in this video. But first, let's get to it. First up, precision and accuracy. In quilting, every 1/8 of an inch matters. Now, with a rotary cutter, you can get those very crisp straight lines every single time. It's like having a magic wand that ensures that each piece is exactly as you wanted. Scissors, however, tend to give you slightly wonky cuts, and it's difficult to get those cuts completely true and accurate on the measurement line that you need. Next up, let's talk about efficiency. You see, rotary cutters can cut through multiple layers in one go and accurately. And that's a real time saver, especially on those projects which need lots of cutting with thousands of pieces. Unfortunately, your scissors just won't be up to that task. Sad, but it's true. Then we have reduced waste, which I reckon is a double win both for your wallet and the planet, which is really important. Your rotary cutter will give you a far superior accuracy over your scissors, which generally means fewer mistakes. And that means less fabric ending up in that scrap pile. That's got to be a good thing. Once you've learned how to use them, ease of use is another big plus for your rotary cutter. You see, the standard wand shape is easy to use for everyone, but now you can easily buy ergonomically designed rotary cutters like this one if you struggle with joint pain or if you have limited hand strength. You can also buy rotary cutters if you're left-handed, although with this particular cutter, for rotary cutter from Olfa, you just need to turn it around the other way. Now, before we jump on to our last point, I promised you a free gift, and here's something special for all you beginners out there. Now, I know that starting out in quilting can be completely overwhelming with so many tools to choose from. So to help you out, I've created a free beginner quilters equipment list. Now, this is a guide that's perfect for getting rid of all that confusion and cutting through all that marketing. Some of it is a bit BS, so that all you buy is all you need to get. So to grab your free copy today, just click the link above there or down in the description below. So back to our rotary cutters versus scissors. I think last up we have versatility. So whether you want to cut gentle curves or straight lines, we have rotary cutters in different sizes to handle it all. You see, it can be quite difficult to cut curves completely accurately with your scissors. And I know this because I've tried and I'm not very good to keeping to the lines. So there you have it, 5 compelling reasons why you need to choose your rotary cutter over scissors for your quilting projects. Now, if you're a seasoned quilter, help out the beginners who've been watching this by recommending your favourite rotary cutter and giving a reason why by popping a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my weekly tips and tutorials. I hope this has been helpful. Bye for now and see you next time.